Ay, may toilet pala. Hindi siya masyadong mahal. Lunch namin. Yan, nice. 250 para siyang banig. Madyo, kita na yung gibuhat. Madyong buntag, mga higala. Early in the morning. Laag na po gojog. Bitaw, magpakulay ako sa aking buhok, no? Nag-book na kami last week ni Banana.
In 200 meters,
Oy,
turn left.
Oi,
schedule ko na magpakulay.
it's haircut day.
No.
Yeah,
Pakulay
I
ako.
told her you must cut it like a boy. So your hair is going to be cut today. You don't have to have it coloured. Just have a haircut and then it grows out beautiful and black. Right? Like I like it. Right?
Ayaw niya nung kulay ko ba? Ayaw niya talaga ng blonde noon pa. Pero ako ay nagmamatigas kasi gusto ko talaga ang blonde na buhok. So ngayon is ipa-black ko na para hindi na magsigaw-yaw. Kaya ayaw niya talaga. Gusto niya yung simple lang ang aking mukha at ayaw din niya yung makapal ang aking
Mukha.
makeup. Yung pupuntahan namin, may own siya na parlor sa kanyang bahay sa Kiliran o sa Bisaya pa.
In 300
So
meters.
medyo barato-barato lang, no? We arrived. So ito yung ano niya, parlor, oh.
The parlour.
Yeah. Salon pala, salon. Ito ang kanyang salon.
This is the steps through. This is what they lipahat in.
Yeah, lipahat.
This is how they cover the fat.
Lipahat daw to sa South Africa. Oh. Waiting na lang ng 45 minutes din banlawan na. Si Banana is umalis. Nandun sa mall may tinignan.
2 hours later.
So it's done.
Keep you on WhatsApp.
Yes, that's right. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Dumaan muna kami dito sa Chinatown. May titignan kami.
Like this, make me feel like this.
New feeling. Tingin-tingin muna kami dito. Ah, okay. This is the one opinion. I don't know. It's 45 rand.
60
Yeah. Bibili kami ng ganito dahil wala kaming partner sa aming plate ba na cup. Ay, cup. Bowl pala. Winihan ba? The clothes. Pauwi na kami. So, nakabili na kami kaunti. Yan o. So, ito ang Chinatown. Yan. Nag-KFC lang kami ngayon sa aming lunch. Ano siya? Wrap?
Wrap. I don't know if this is worth it. Let's see. So guys, got
Chicken and
salad
then
in.
chips.
got salad in.
Yes.
Okay, that's not too bad.
Nagawa si Banana ng bread.
It's too late to try. Yeah.
Hindi ko nakuhaan, nagawa siya ng bread kasi
Yeah,
naglinis
there
ako
should
sa
be a YouTube video of me
Bathroom.
preparing this bread, but it's too late to apologize. It's too late.
pero hindi pa niya nasalang, mamaya pa kasi mag-wait pa. I think is 45 minutes mahal or 1 minute o 1 hour. Naglinis kasi ako ng bathroom, kaya ganon, hindi ko nakuha ng video. So, mamaya na lang tignan natin kung ma-perfect ba no ang kanyang bread kintahay. Mao na ni ang akong buhok. Hindi na siya masyadong blonde, no? Okay na siya. Pero sabi yung babae na, maybe next time na pupunta ako doon, ma-okay na. Yung nilagay ko na kulay ba is strong. So, kaya hindi siya madali talaga na matanggal ba. Mga binili namin kanina. See? Sana perfect ito. Kung perfect by George si Banana mamaya.
I should have made just
OMG.
OMG. Oh.
Perfect ang kanyang bread, mga higala.
everything.
Bravo, mahal.
Bravo, yes. I'm happy that it came out just the way I wanted it. Now I'm gonna try pandesal. Oh, why do we both look so wild?
I don't know.
The next day.
Nagpagasolina kami ngayon kay aalis na naman kami. Pupunta kami sa market ba, pero sa other side, not yung pinuntahan namin noon. Kasi yung pinuntahan namin first is malapit lang sa aming bahay. Mag 9 o'clock pa dito sa umaga, medyo maaga kami ni Banana kay medyo ladyo-ladyo ano. Maunang nagpagasolina kami ba para hindi kami mahawadan o gasolina sa daan.
It's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I could feel like this, make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights.
Malapit na kami pero ito ang dinaanan namin oh. Dirt road.
Camping out, camping out, just waiting for the harvest to begin.
Untol-untol na ang sasakyan. Buti nga lang ang aming sasakyan is Baki ba?
Okay.
Malaki siya so
We're in a bucket. We're in a bucket.
okay siya pag ano sa dirt road kaysa maliit na car. Samot yung untol-untol. Naiihi na naman ako. Tapos untol-untol yung sinasakyan namin ay samot. Gawas na gadyon ni Ron. Di makaabot sa market. Ay, Roy, ginoko. Pipi pa more.
Okay. Really?
Maraming pumupunta sa market oh. Kay maraming car din. Nakasunod kami. Maraming nakasunod pala sa amin. Binauna namin kay murag nagdali sila ba? Nagukod sila sell. Bibili kami ni Banana ng caravan kasi titira kami ng ganito ba oh? 'Di ba? Cute.
It's an old one, huh?
Pero joke lang oy. Kay walay pangbili. Wala palang pera. Dumating na kami pero naghanap pa kami ng maparkingan ba?
What do you think? Just told me.
It's okay. Ay, parang walang bathroom dito kay ano siya, bukid ba? Kaya una gajud ko tanawa nga akong likod oh. Parang daghan ng car. Ay, may toilet pala. Ito ang toilet nila dito oh. Maganda siya pag may mag-camping kayo ba. Ito ang mostly ginagamit nila. Oh. My girl, my boy. Maliit lang. Kasya lang sa isa.
Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping.
Money ang forma sa ilang market.
As I lose myself now, do it like it's only a day.
May mga plants.
And we don't care about the bad nights.
Di pa masyadong maraming shop nakalagay kay bago pa nag-open. Mostly pala dito is mga food. Bibili ako nito. Oh. Maganda siya mga kahigala at hindi siya masyadong mahal. Nakabili na ako ng bracelet.
And we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I could feel like this, make me feel like this. Young blood made of gold, a mind you can't control. Running wild, can't come down. My head is in the clouds. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away.
Yeah, nice. 250. That one, 250. Yeah, I buy this. Huh? Yan, nakabili na ako ng dalawang bag. Oh, Diyos ko. Puro tatong kwarta ni. Lunch namin, beef curry. Yummy, yummy. Tapos na kami kumain, balik na naman kami. Pumunta lang kami doon sa car ba para kumain. Na bored. Tingin-tingin lang ba?
No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. No, we don't care about the bad nights.
Uuwi na kami kay mag 12 o'clock na yata or 1. Pero marami pa rin tao ang dumating ba. Isig abot. Ka-spend na kami ng 2,000 pesos, no? Grabe. Wala na ko'y kwarta. Kaya ako may nagbayad. Dili man si Banana. Gusto kong umihi. Kaso yung bathroom doon is puno.
We ain't stopping for the sunrise.
More people coming. Mag-close dito is 1 o'clock. Pero more people pa rin ang dumating.
We are going home. This market it's nice, but it's all new stuff. There's no bargains here. There's no second hand really. It's mostly food stalls, a lot of food stalls, and then a little bit of jewelry, and of course, Mum got beautiful handbags. Okay, which she's happy about. Okay, we're going to go home. We will go to another market one of these days. We're going to go and show you. I think it's called Crossings. Another market by the end of this month.
Ang car, umabot na dito. Nag-walking na lang yung iba. Iwan ay parkingan doon sa malapit sa market.
Okay, people are tired of going to shopping malls. They're looking for something different. In South African shopping malls, it's boring because it's the same old shops, Mr. Price, Foschini, Edgar's, H&M, etc. They don't allow for the small trader, which can bring value to the shopping centre, but they don't allow it, okay, to come in, or they overcharge them. So we go to little market stalls, and it's great fun. It's an outing.
Yeah. Buti na lang at maaga kami, no? Bago pa sila nag-open 9. Nandun na kami sa market. Medyo kaunti pa ang taon doon. So, ngayon is marami na talaga, no? Nagkaguot na ang mga tao dito. So, maunang ulit na naman, me.
Yeah, because the market only runs from 9 o'clock in the morning until 1 o'clock.
Yeah, 1 o'clock.
Then it's over. But most of the people were selling out, the good stalls were selling out most of their stuff. Most of the goods were being sold. The baker, the jewelry one made a lot of money, and then the bag store made a lot of money. Yeah.
Ang uba na sold na, like mga jewelry. Kailangan na talaga kaming umuwi. Kaya kung magtagal kami doon sa market, maybe we spend a lot of money na. Aroy! Kaya daghang tinda.
1 hour later.
Ang bag, mga kahigala ba, para siyang banig. Diba? Pero hindi man siya banig, oy. Lahi man to ang pagbanig sa ato, ah. Unique ba, no? Handmade lang to nila. Ito yung parang ano nila, lock kintahay sa bag. Same lang din sa yellow. Wow! Ha, nagpasiksi ka. Madyo kita na yung gibuhat. Nga ikaw rin nagsiksi. I think need din ako mag-exercise. Magbihis ako and then mag-gym-gym sa akong sadaw-sadaw, magsako-sako sa kuba. Tamad talaga ako magsikad-sikad. Ay!
Keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime.
Nagutom si Banana pagkatapos niya nagsikad-sikad. Ang kanyang niluto is fried rice and then yung patchoy ko at fish, no? Fish. At nagawa ako ng pinakurat kagabi. Siyempre, tusluan dyan na to, no? Mo ni ang akong pinakurat. And then, may sobra nilagay ko dito. Kain muna kami for dinner.
That's all for today because I'm eating delicious food, even if I made it.
Yes.
Delicious fish, lovely bok choy, and I did a fried rice.
So, yun lang. Ang lagi nyo tandaan is be patient, be humble, be simple sa buhay para always
Be happy.
bye!